Hey guys, in this video I am talking about Rust programming language. Rust is a multiple programming general purpose programming language. Rust emphasizes performance, type safety and concurrency. Rust enforces memory safety, that is that all references point to valid memory without requiring the use of garbage collector and reference counting language present in other memory safe language to simultaneously enforce memory safety and prevent concurrent data races and Rust borrow checker tracker the object a lifetime and variable scope of all references in a program during completion. Rust is popular of system programming but also offer high level feature including functional programming constructor. Software developer developer grade on Hoyer created Rust as a personal project while working at Mozilla Research in 2006. Mozilla officially sponsored in the project 2009. Rust major influence include SML, OC, AML, C++, Cyclone, Haskell, and Erlang. And since the first stable release in January 2014, Rust has been adopted by companies including Amazon, Discord, and Dropbox, Facebook, Meta, Google, Alphabet, and Microsoft. Rust has been noted from its growth as a newer language and has been the subject of academic programming language research. History of Rust programming language origin 2006 2012. Gust grew out of the personal project began in 2006 by Mozilla Research employee grade on where Mozilla began sponsoring the project in 2009 as a part of ongoing development of an experimental browser engine called Servo, and the project was officially announced by Mozilla in 2010. During the same year, work has shifted from the initial compiler written in Kami to the self-housing compiler based in LLVM written in Rust. The new Rust compiler successfully compiled itself in 2011. Evolution 2013-2009. The Rust type system changed considerably between version 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and version 0.2 introduced classes from the first time, and 0.3 added destructor and polymorphism through the use of interfaces, and in Rust 0.5 traits and was added a mean to provide inheritance, and the interfaces were infected with the traits and removed as a separate feature. Classes were also removed and replaced by the combination of implementation and structure types along with the conventional static type. And before version 0.4, Rust was also supported typespace analysis through constructor. It was removed in release 0.4 through the same functionality. Functionality can be achieved by leveraging Rust type system. In January 2014, the editor in the chief of Dr. Dobb journal, Andre Bistock, commented on Rust chances of becoming a competitor to C++ in addition to the language D, Go, and NIM. Then the mod, according to the Binstock, with the Rust, are widely viewed as a remarkable, elegant language, and adoption slowed because it repeatedly changed. Because version the first stable release Rust 1.0 was announced on May 15, 2015. Mozilla layoff and Rust Foundation 2020. Present in August 2020, Mozilla laid off 252 of 100 employees worldwide as a part of corporate restructuring caused by the long-term impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Pandemic, the team behind Servo, a browser engine written in Rust, was completely disbanded. The event raised concern about the future of Rust as some member of the team were active contributor to Rust of the following week. The Rust core team acknowledge the first goal of the foundation would be to take ownership of all trademark and domain names and take financial responsibility of their cost. On February 9, 2021, the formation of the Rust Foundation was announced by five foundation companies: AWS, Huawei, Google, and Microsoft, and Mozilla. In the blog post published on April 6, 2021, Google announced support of Rust within Android open source project as an alternative of C++. On November 22, 2021. 21. The moderation team responsible of enforcing community standard of the code of conduct announced their resignation in protest of the core team replacing themselves unaccountable to anyone but themselves also to future comment regarding the reason for resignation has been provided in the accountment. One of the former member of the moderation team commented on Reddit, stating that communication with the core that has failed. There no team above core, so it's up to member of the rest project to organize themselves and decided what to do in term of flow up. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye guys.